Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Navy Federal Credit Union, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Creating a budget with Navy Federal Credit Union is simple and effective. Begin by accessing Navy Federal's website or mobile app. Log into your account using your member credentials. Navigate to the budgeting tools available under the Manage section. Select the budgeting option to get started. Review the different budgeting tools offered, such as expense tracking and savings goals. Choose the tool that best suits your needs. Input your income sources, including salary and any additional earnings. Enter your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Next, list variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once all expenses are entered, analyze the total to understand your financial picture. Set financial goals for saving and debt reduction. Use the Goals feature to define short-term and long-term objectives. Adjust your budget based on your needs and financial goals. Monitor your spending regularly using the app or website. Set alerts to notify you when you approach budget limits. Review and adjust your budget monthly to stay on track. Take advantage of educational resources provided by Navy Federal to enhance your financial literacy. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure they remain aligned with your financial situation. Consider connecting with a financial advisor through Navy Federal for personalized guidance. By following these steps, you'll develop a budget that helps you manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.